Dray, what you're bringing to us, this breaking news of R. Kelly being found guilty on that charge, certainly is interesting because throughout the time that we've been covering this here on BNC, different legal experts have been giving different ideas of what they thought would happen. And a lot of them that I spoke with have said that they thought it would be really tough to get a guilty verdict on that charge. So it's interesting that that's the first thing that you're bringing to us now as it's happening, that he has been found guilty on that racketeering, because experts have said that was a tough one. So it's interesting that we're hearing so quickly from the jury. It's interesting that we're getting this guilty verdict, Dray. You are, of course, standing by there getting the latest. You've talked about this charge and the different charges. Let's face it, R. Kelly has been accused for years and years of a variety of things. Racketeering was not at the top of the list. He's mainly, of course, been accused of sexually harassing young women and young girls. What exactly have you been covering here that indicates to you that this is all tied together? What are your thoughts now?
Well, you know, you're right. The racketeering charge is very complex and complicated. And so the legal experts you spoke with were exactly right. But the lead U.S. attorney, the prosecutor, Elizabeth Geddes, was very, very meticulous. She took her time in her opening arguments and explained to the jury that she was going to be able to illustrate and show that R. Kelly is guilty of all 14 acts. And in her closing argument, which lasted more than 6 hours, highly unusual, she went through each of those acts. And with each of the acts, she used evidence, she used testimony, she used exhibits, audio recordings, video recordings to demonstrate to the jury why she believes R. Kelly is guilty of everything across the board. She did it so in a very convincing fashion because she took her time. There were some legal experts who questioned if 6 hours was too long, that maybe she risked the possibility of losing the jury or boring the jury. But she stuck to her script. What she proposed in the beginning, she produced on in the end, and illustrated very clearly why she believes that R. Kelly really for decades, she said, has been able to run this vast criminal enterprise and use his fame and his money to commit his crimes in plain sight, and then to dominate his victims by threatening them and abusing them and indoctrinating them as to control their thoughts, as to control their movements. And she said he was only able to do this because of his inner circle, his bodyguards, his runners, his assistants. She illustrated how each of those individuals played a part in aiding and abetting R. Kelly and helping him to run this illicit, illegal enterprise for not just 1 year or 2 years, but for almost 30 years, she says. And it would appear as if the jury believes her, and they listen to her closely. And what we're hearing now is the result of that. She was successful. We're waiting to find out if he was found to be in violation of all 14 of those acts, and we'll know it's just a matter of time because the jury has to answer each of those acts. But this was a prosecutor who was determined to win a conviction, and so far she has done that.